Hey everybody, are you looking to learn how to make a simple and easy and delicious spiced apple cider? Then you've come to the right place. Stick around, I'll show you how to do just that in just a few minutes. And if you stay until the end, I'm going to share an oh so fun spiked version, Lacey Lynn style. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Lacey Lynn Life. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you really enjoyed last week's video, 8 ways to make your home more cozy for fall. And as I promised, this week we're going to be learning how to make my hot spiced apple cider. And I've thrown in this really fun bonus. It's Boozy Companion, the salted caramel apple cider cocktail. Oh my goodness, it's so fun. It's so yum. It's just a party in a glass, you know what I'm saying? So what we're going to do, we're going to start off with the regular spiced hot apple cider. I'm using the Martinelli's. It's Italian, so it's oh so fun. I love Italian things. So you can use the inexpensive versions from your grocery store as well. They're just like, $3 a bottle or something for those. So basically, you're going to be filling up your crock pot about 2/3 of the way full with your apple cider. That's the first step. Second step, we're going to take a whole bottle of cinnamon sticks, and we're going to go ahead and pour those in. It smells so good. And then we are going to take some nutmeg and just sprinkle a little bit of that in the crock pot. And now we're going to take your sweetener of choice, okay? So I'm going to use brown sugar today. You can use truvia, the white sugar or the brown sugar mix. Truvia is like half sugar, half stevia. You can use brown sugar, you can use regular sugar, you can use honey, you can use maple syrup, just whatever you like. I've been already enjoying some today. I made a whole pot last night too. It's just so yum. The perfect hot holiday drink. Now we're going to take an orange, a couple oranges, and we're going to go ahead and cut those up. And just go ahead and slice those up and then put those in the crock pot. You can use the regular size oranges or the cute little clementines, whatever you like. And some recipes just call for the orange zest, but you can also just kind of slice some of the orange zest. I like to use the sliced oranges because they're just so pretty. One thing about these sliced oranges is you are going to need to take those out, probably after a few days. They start to get kind of, just kind of take those out. And then you've got the orange flavor still left. And we're also going to add a little bit of orange pineapple juice in just a few minutes. So that's going to keep that orange flavor in. Oh, it's just looking so beautiful over here in the crock pot. We're going to be showing you a picture of that later. And some of the Simply Orange and pineapple juice mixture. We're going to start off with a half a cup, and then you can always add more juice, more sugar, more whatever you like. There's also this option to add this mandarin orange spice tea, herbal tea. This is just optional. I'm going to go ahead and add in a few of these. So you can say how many cups, you can look on your jars and see how many cups you have of apple cider for the whole batch. I think I have 12 8-ounce cups of apple cider. So I'm going to go ahead and add in 6 of these tea bags. So it's basically 1 tea bag per 2 cups. So I'll let that simmer. So I'm just going to do that just kind of for some extra orange spice, a little extra depth, a little bit of an herbal tea flavor there. That's just optional. We're going to let those tea bags set for a while. We're going to let those cloves just really soak in for a while. Let the flavor of the cinnamon sticks come out as well. Now we're going to put the lid of the crock pot on. Like I said, turn it on high and just let that cook. And then just see, and then after it slow cooks for a few hours, then you can see if you want to add, like I said, some more sugar. Oh goodness, excuse me guys. I am sick, as you can probably tell. I am just so passionate about this channel and getting these videos to you guys. I just couldn't wait to get these recipes to y'all, so I'm doing this even though I'm like coughing my head off and all kinds of stuff, congestion, the whole deal. But I'm here, I'm excited. And so just let that sit for a while, for a few hours probably, and then you're going to start to smell the aroma all through your apartment or your home. Get all the flavors of the cloves and the cinnamon and the oranges to come out, and the tea to brew a little bit. Then you can remove the tea bags. It just looks so beautiful with the oranges and the cinnamon sticks and all that. So that is all the ingredients. You've already got this cooking. So now I hope you're enjoying my hot spiced apple cider with your favorite holiday treat. My favorite fall treat is my grain-free, gluten-free pumpkin spice cupcakes. Oh. Amazing. Wow. Okay, everybody, and now for the bonus that I promised. The boozy companion to the spiced hot apple cider, the salted caramel apple cider cocktail. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get a couple of saucers. You're gonna shake some salt all around this saucer quite a few times. And then you're gonna take your caramel sauce and you're going to drizzle this around the other saucer, like so, to decorate the rim of our glass. Okay? So we're gonna get the, we're gonna take our glass that we're gonna be putting our cocktail in, and we're going to swirl it around in the caramel sauce. And then take that, and then we're going to swirl this around in the salt to get our edges. Plenty of salt on the edge here. Okay, now we're going to go and get some ice. Okay, so for the salted caramel apple cider cocktail, we're going to start off with 2 ounces of caramel flavored vodka. Here we go, right here. We're going to pour 2 ounces on it. Okay. Next, we're going to have 1/2 ounce of the butterscotch schnapps. Oh my goodness, this drink is so much fun, y'all. It tastes so good. It is such a party. Oh my goodness. Okay, so 1/2 ounce. Butterscotch. Okay. And then 3 ounces apple cider. We're gonna take our stir. Add these super cute spice stirrers I got from Target like years ago. They're orange. They're orange and glittery and all spicy. Okay. We're gonna add in some ice. Whoop. And we're gonna add in a cinnamon stick. Now we're going to take one of these apples here. We're going to cut the apple up and we're going to use it for garnish on our salted caramel apple cider cocktail. We're going to just put a couple apple slices on in the drink along with the cinnamon stick. I'm going to get a adorable picture of this for you guys to be able to see this really close. Now we're going to take whipped cream for the topping. Oh, man. Ready? The cream. Top. Then we're going to top it off. Finish it up with that caramel sauce. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is decadent, delicious. The holidays, the perfect drink, spiked version. It's fun. I'm in love with this drink, y'all. I gotta say, I did all these I did all this research for you guys, and I tried all these different recipes. This was my favorite recipe that I found. Eats by the Beach is where I found it. It's wonderful. It's just wonderful. So I'm gonna be having this again tonight, I gotta say. Incredible. You're gonna thank me for this one. You're gonna seriously thank me later for this one, I'm telling you right now. Cheers. Cheers to the holidays, y'all. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video of my hot spiced apple cider and its boozy companion, the salted caramel apple cider cocktail. If you guys have any more suggestions, other ingredients to add, put them in the comments below. Hit your subscribe button, turn on your notifications for all my new videos coming out. I love you guys. I'm Lacey Lynn. As always, I'm here to make your day a little easier, a little sweeter, and to make every day feel like a vacay. See you next time. Lots of love and hugs. Bye-bye.
Now just say something effective. Guys, listen, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Lacey in Life. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions for your apple cider or ideas for yours or things I left out or whatever. Just want to hear y'all's thoughts on this and get your feedback.
That's right.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and set your notifications because more videos are to come.
Oh,
See you guys next time.
that's a lot. I think I'm too boozed up for that, honey. Oh, no.
We'll try it.
Okay.
Give it a shot. You're closing it up.
I know.
You got this.
Thank
We're on
God.
the
Oh my gosh. Let's just say that I hope that editing goes really well this time because this one's going to need a lot of editing. I mean, it's going to be all about editing. You know what I'm saying?
All about editing. Yeah. All right.
Where's that cinnamon stick at?
We're wrapping this one up in 3.
Wait. Okay, now this, I think I'll get a really good picture of that.
Oh, brother, help me. Lord help us.
I haven't even been videoing that long, and I've been like champagned up, so I hope I don't sound like crazy or something.
Okay,
I'm
ready?
serious. Oh,
Wow.
I know.
Holy
it's
smokes.
pretty much, yeah.
Okay.